In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Udemy subscription. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills, explore new areas of interest, or advance your career with expert-led courses, securing a subscription on Udemy can open many doors to knowledge and personal development. So, let's walk through the process together. To begin your journey on Udemy, head to your dashboard. Once there, you'll want to hover your cursor over to your profile area. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Hovering over this should reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the option labeled Subscriptions. Go ahead and click on this option to proceed. Before you decide on subscribing, it's always a wise move to gather some information about what you're committing to. On the subscription page, you'll be able to see details about the different plans available to you. Take a moment to click on the Learn More link. This will give you a clearer picture of the benefits and scope of what the subscription offers. Once you're well informed and ready to proceed, you'll see the option to hit Subscribe. Clicking this will take you to the next phase of your subscription journey. Now, it's time to choose the plan that best suits your learning needs and lifestyle. Udemy generally offers two main options: a yearly subscription or a monthly subscription. Consider how much time you're able to dedicate to learning and your long-term goals before making your choice. Once you've decided on the plan that works best for you, don't forget to select your country, as this can sometimes affect pricing and availability. With your plan and country selected, it's time to enter your payment details. Ensure that your card details are correct to avoid any inconvenience. This typically includes entering your credit or debit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Accuracy is key here, so double-check everything to ensure a smooth transaction. Finally, after confirming your payment details, you'll find a button labeled Start Subscription. Clicking this finalizes your subscription to Udemy, allowing you full access to their wide array of courses and resources. This step signifies the beginning of your new learning adventure, unlocking countless opportunities to grow and explore new skills at your own pace. And there you have it, the complete walkthrough on how to purchase a Udemy subscription. By following these simple steps, you're all set to dive into the vast ocean of courses Udemy offers, tailored to your interests and aspirations. So get ready to learn, grow, and achieve your personal and professional goals with Udemy. Happy learning!